Hello, I'm Kate, and I'm here to walk you through how to hide your date of birth on Facebook from others. Now, how do you do this? First of all, you click on the profile icon, then click on the three dots in front of Edit Profile. Then go down to Privacy Setting, click on it. Scroll down, Accounts, click on it too. Scroll down to Personal Details. Now, after Personal Details, you will see your date of birth along with other personal details displayed. You click on Date of Birth. Then, at the bottom of the page, you will see highlighted in blue the sentence, "Who can see your birthday on Facebook?" You click on it. Then you click on Change Visibility on Facebook, also highlighted in blue on the next page. Then you will see your date of birth. So click on the button in front of your date of birth, then select Only Me. Do the same for your year of birth. Select also Only Me. And this is how to hide your date of birth and year of birth from your profile on Facebook. Till next time, bye.